In today's video, I'm going to teach you how do I print chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clean, printable copy of your chart of accounts for sharing, filing, or audits. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping, listing every account you use to track assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Printing, it can be helpful for reviews, meetings, or when you want a snapshot of how your books are organized. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the area where the chart of accounts lives. Look to the top right of your screen for the small gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open the menu, then choose Chart of Accounts. This brings up the full list of your accounts along with their types, detail types, and current balances. Next, let's open a view that's ready to print. If you want the quickest route, look near the top right of the Chart of Accounts page for the printer icon. Clicking that sends what you're seeing directly to your browser's print preview. This option is fast and reflects the current on-screen list. If you prefer a more polished layout, choose Run Report instead. This generates a formal report version of your chart of accounts with a cleaner report-style format that's often easier to read and share. It removes on-screen controls and presents the data in neat columns, which can help if you're handing it to a manager, an accountant, or an auditor. When you're ready to produce the document, you have two simple choices. Click Print to send it straight to your printer, or choose Export as PDF. If you want a digital copy, you can save, email, or store. If you print directly, use your browser's print settings to pick the printer, page range, and color or black and white. If any columns look cut off, switching to landscape orientation or slightly reducing the scale can help fit everything on the page. If you export it as a PDF, open the file on your computer and print it from there whenever you're ready. That's it. You've accessed the chart of accounts, opened a printer-friendly view, and printed it, or saved it as a PDF for later. For tidy record keeping, consider naming your PDF with the company and date so it's easy to find later. Keeping a printed or saved copy can be especially useful during year-end close, audits, or when training new team members. Thanks for watching, and now you're set to print your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online with confidence.